Idemo jako. Njam, njam, njam. It's been a long time since I've been in the woods, but really in the woods. If you follow in my channel, I used to post videos like this back in the days, and today I feel my heart and my lungs are full of joy because I'm back in the woods. And even better, today I'm not alone. I have my folks, my family. But yeah, I used to do this alone when I was alone and single, and now I have my folks. And yeah, I love this. Just wanted to make a short video. My EDC for the woods today is a Boker. It is automatic, but I'm in the woods, so who cares? Feels great and feels wood appropriate. Feels wood appropriate for my pocket here. And yeah, I have these leather shoes because of the snakes. And yeah, I forgot how much I like this. I forgot how much I like this. It's awesome. So again, I took this stuff for granted because I was during growing up I played a lot in the woods. I was living nearby woods in the countryside, and right now I drifted apart and I took this for granted. So yeah, if you get a chance to go out there in the woods, I don't need a lot of gear. I'm not too far from civilization, but yeah, go out there and enjoy.
Ewo.
Ovo mi izgleda kao jedan ukusan zalogaj. Njam, 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 njam. Njam, 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 njam.